In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Safari downloads on iPhone. If you've ever downloaded a file in Safari and wondered where it went, this walkthrough will make it clear and easy. We'll first find your existing downloads, then show you how to choose where Safari saves them going forward so they're always right where you expect. Start by opening the Files app. This is your iPhone's built-in file manager, and it's where Safari places downloaded files by default. Along the bottom, make sure you're on the Browse tab, which shows the locations available on your device. From here, you'll choose either iCloud Drive or On My iPhone. iCloud Drive stores files in your iCloud and keeps them available across your Apple devices, while On My iPhone saves them directly on this device only. Once you're in the location you use, open the Downloads folder. This is where Safari usually saves your downloads by default. Inside, you'll see items like PDFs, documents, images, or archives that you've saved from Safari. The most recent files typically appear near the top, and file names and icons help you quickly recognize what you've grabbed. If the Downloads folder looks empty, it may mean Safari was set to save somewhere else or a different app handled the file. That's where adjusting your default download location can help you keep everything consistent. To change where Safari saves downloads, open Settings on your iPhone and go to Apps, then select Safari. In Safari Settings, tap Downloads. Here, you can pick the place that best fits how you work. Choose iCloud Drive if you want your downloads to sync across devices signed in with your Apple ID. This is handy for starting a download on your iPhone and opening it later on a Mac or iPad. Choose On My iPhone if you prefer to keep files stored locally for quicker offline access and to avoid using iCloud storage. You can also select another folder to organize downloads into a specific spot you already use, such as a project folder within iCloud Drive or a designated folder on your iPhone. Picking the right location now helps keep your files tidy and easy to find later. That's all there is to it. Open the Files app, browse to iCloud Drive or On My iPhone, and look in the Downloads folder to see what Safari has saved. And if you want more control, adjust the default location in Settings so every future download lands exactly where you want.